If you've created your own custom GPT and you're having problems getting it to save the output to a file, you need to activate the ability to do that. I'm going to show you how to do it right now. So I have a GPT here, and I'm going to generate a list here, and I'm going to try to save it. So if I try to save my list to a text file, and I'll hit enter here, you'll see it can't do it. So what we need to do is we need to go into configure, and down here under web browsing in DALL-E image generation is code interpreter and data analysis. And that's off by default. And most people wouldn't think to click this on if they're not generating a file that has to do with where you would use those functions, and you don't think of saving just a file as one of those functions, but it is. So let's enable this. So I've generated another list, and I'm going to try to save it to a file now. So now you see it's starting to generate the code it would use to create the file. And then down here, there's actually a link to download the list of best guitarists right here. And so if we click on that, you'll see it's saved the list into a file or a text file. So now, what if you're using somebody else's GPT? Now, you may or may not be able to save their file. It depends on whether they enabled this. And I want to show you a little trick here. So we're in the GPT store here, and I'm going to just click on this GPT to show you. It shows the capabilities down here. Now, it doesn't say that it can save it to a file, because these are kind of the generic capabilities are enabled within the script. The person who writes the script doesn't even generate that. This is generated by the store. And it basically tells you here what the capabilities are. There are actions in this GPT, but it also says code interpreter is enabled, and it says that web browsing and DALL-E images are enabled too. So it will show you what is enabled within the GPT. Now we're going to go to this other GPT to show you what's going on with this one. And so this is a novel writer GPT that helps you write novels. It's actually a pretty good GPT. But if we go down to capabilities, it has DALL-E images and browsing. And those were the ones she left checked off. She didn't check the code and data analysis. So you cannot save the file from this. And because it's somebody else's custom GPT that you're using, you can't edit it. So you can't enable the scripting on it. So the only thing you can do in a case like that would be you would have to cut and paste off of the screen into a file of your choosing.